Hi, I'm Ted, and today I'm going to show you how to fill a formula in an Excel spreadsheet. So I have a spreadsheet here, just a couple of columns of numbers, and I'm going to enter in a formula here. So I've got A, B, are my first two columns, and column C I'm going to enter in a formula. So I go to cell C2 and I go equals, and let's say A times 5, and then plus, let's say B squared. Okay, there we go. So there's cell C2 has the formula, and we want to copy the same formula down to the rest of the column here, in each case referring to the corresponding row. And it's really very easy to do because Excel is improved to the point where all you need to do is have the cell selected, go to the bottom right of the cell until the cursor changes to a solid plus like that, not this open plus like this, but this one like this, and then just double click. And what it does is if we scroll down, you can see this one is, let me just scroll out just a little here. This one is A2 times 5 plus B2 squared. The next one down is A3 times 5 plus B3 squared, and so on down. Each one updates the row number reference to the corresponding row. Now you'll notice that when I did this double click and it filled the column with the corresponding formulas, it stopped at a point, and I put this this blank line 10 in intentionally to illustrate a point, which is that it goes down until it sees an empty cells in the following row. So to continue the formula to the rest of the cells, we take the contents of cell C9 and we hold the Option key down and we drag that cell down. Whoops, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. We grab the edge of the cell. That's key. Grab it so that you have a hand as the cursor. And when we hold the Option key down, you see that plus. The hand, when you hold the Option key down, has a plus sign that appears in the center of it. We drag that down to cell C11, and it now has copied the formula into that cell. And so we've essentially jumped the gap here. And then we can do the same thing we did before, go to the bottom right of the cell until the cursor changes into a solid plus, double click, and it fills the formula in the column. So I hope this has been helpful to you. It's something that's extremely important to know how to do when you're working with Excel. I'm Ted, and today I've shown you how to fill a formula in Excel, and thank you for watching.